Konnichiwa, Roxanne desu. Hi, and today I've got another Japan crate. This is the August 2020 Japan crate. It came a little late, but that's okay. And here it is. A lot of these got a lot of sour stuff in it. And here is the menu. Hopefully it's not backward in the video because it looks backward right now. So that way you can get an idea of what's in this box. Now we gotta show them off. This is like those fishies you can get. Those are super tasty. Pretty sure these are gummies. When I squish it, it feels like gummies. We got some more gummies. Looks like probably watermelon flavor maybe. I think this one is gum with Doraemon on it. I don't know if I'm gonna like these. These are chips, but they are the plum flavor. Very sour and not in a good way. So we'll see. Alright, these are some kind of a hard candy. Looks like it's gonna be watermelon again. These I've had in many videos, so I'm actually not gonna try these since we've had them before, but they are good. They're just like little chewy candies. This one's supposed to be like a vending machine experience, so I don't quite understand it yet, so maybe we'll understand it once we open the bag. And this feels like another kind of gummy. I'm trying to get the glare off so you can actually see it. There we go. This is just flavored sugar, Ramune flavored. So I'm not going to try this one today because we've had many of these. Got the jelly, which we have had many of these as well. This one is cola flavored, so I'm gonna skip this one this time. I think this might be gum. I'm not really sure, but I'm guessing again watermelon flavor. Apparently August is the time of watermelon. I have an omayabo that got slaughtered, and it looks like it's shrimp and mayonnaise flavor, but I don't know, it's a little different, so we'll see. We got the mystery candy. I think it's a hard candy, and then you're supposed to guess who that is on there. Can you guess? I know who it is. This one, since it's just a hard beat type candy, I'm not gonna try this one. This one here is kind of a game. Two of them are sweet. One of them is super sour. So you don't know which one you're gonna get. I'm gonna save this one because I've had many things like this one before, but yep. Plus it's a hard candy, so it takes a while to eat it. This is also another hard candy I think I'm gonna save. It is also, I believe, Ramune flavor, which you can get Ramune here in the US. I know Martin's, where I live, sells it. So if you want to try Ramune, even Five Below has gotten Ramune before. And this is some kind of cookie. I know it's cocoa. It's got I think caramel flavor in the center. So So this one is going to be fun. And I got one more thing that I need to go get out of the fridge. So this is the last thing, the drink that came in for this month. And it is vanilla flavored, and it's going to be the first one I try. And it looks kind of like something that I had while I was in Japan that I really liked. I don't think I filmed it. I just randomly got it out of a vending machine. I was like, this is good. What's more of these? Where can I get them? Here we go. Oh. You know what this tastes like? If you ever drank like an Ensure or Boost, the vanilla flavored, that is what this tastes like. I wonder if that's what this is, like a nutritional drink. I don't know. But I'm used to that flavor. I drink those every morning, so I don't mind it so much. Alright, let's start. This is Gummies, Ramune flavored. You used to always open all the packages up first. Maybe I should do that. So you don't have to sit here and watch me open it. Because some of these are like a pain in the butt. Especially if you don't open it right. There we go. Oh, so it's kind of translucent. Should be Ramune flavor. And it is. I like it. It's good. It's a nice soft one too. Oh, sure. I'm pretty sure this one is watermelon. These are coated with some kind of sugar. Could be sweet, could be sour. I don't know. Definitely watermelon. They come in different colors, but I think they're gonna all be watermelon. And it's definitely sweet. I'm not sure. I don't want to get a gum. This might be a gum. Oh wait. We'll try the Umaibo. Somewhere in this house I have a box of 11 Umaibos that I saved to make an Umaibo video, and I don't know what happened to it. So in shipping it got crushed. So it's usually a long stick. It definitely has a seafoody taste. Crunchy. I think it's the regular shrimp flavor though. I don't taste anything different. Ah! Mess! Making a mess! Yummy! So far, I haven't eaten a Umaibo I didn't like, which is good. I think this is pineapple gummies. A lot of gummies in this box. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands. Here I am done with this. It's a little strip. Got sugary stuff on the outside. Could be sweet. Could be sour. I'm pretty sure pineapple. Smells like pineapple. These two are very good. I love gummies, so as far as I'm concerned, I hit the jackpot. Yummy gummies! And they all have resealable bags, which is nice, so I can just eat a little bit and seal it up. Don't have to worry about them getting all hard. not sure what that one is. This one is a hard candy, I think. Yeah. Little tiny hard candy. I think it's supposed to be like the seeds of the watermelon. And it has a watermelon, very sweet, candy watermelon taste to it. Yep. And again, resealable, yay! I'm so happy. So we got this fishy watermelon. So usually there's like custard or chocolate or red bean paste in these. So watermelon will be different. We buy ice cream ones of these at a place called Food Max near where I live. So if you have a Food Max, you can get these with ice cream in them. It usually has vanilla ice cream with a chocolate layer. It's all pink. It's very fluffy and foamy. Don't know if you can see, it's probably gonna in there, fluffy and foamy. Tastes like watermelon. I like that one. It's good. This one does not reseal, so I will be eating it for my lunch. Alright. Let's try these. My husband, if I don't like it, will probably like it. So one thing I've noticed about all their chips are they can be more subtly flavored than what our chips are. Sometimes you can't even barely taste it. Here we go. Looks like a normal chip. So it just tastes like a normal chip with a vinegary tang to it. And a bit of sweetness. I like this. These are good. I didn't think I would, but it's just the right amount. It's not over the top. Alright, so they're all individually wrapped in there, which is good. Means I don't have to eat all of them. Get it out of another package. And it kind of makes me think of an Oreo, maybe even a moon pie. It's soft, not overly sweet. Chocolate. Whatever's in the center, I don't really taste that. Whatever it is. It's kind of a subtle dark chocolate taste with the tiniest hint of something that is fruit flavored, but I don't know what it is. But they're good. So, I miss this weird vending machine candy. Let's find it out. It's supposed to be like a vending machine. How? I don't know how this is like a vending machine. I'm probably going to do it wrong. just gonna pull it out. Oh, it's so tough. I may have to eat all these today because these are my favorite kind of gooiness for a gummy. Super goomy. And it is cola flavored. It looks like all of them are cola flavored. But it's tasty. I love this kind of gummy. I used to find spiders like this, and I love them. Got these last two things here. I think it might be gum. This looks like gum. It's powdery, sweet. The softest gum, if it is gum. I'm not sure that it's gum. I can chew on it. Nope, shoot. It's so much unlike gum, but also like gum that I just swallowed it. 7 years. Hope it's not gum. Luckily, only a small bite. And the last thing is gonna be Doraemon. This too looks like gum. I think it's about the same thing as that other one I just had. Yeah. It seems like gum, but it's really soft compared to what gum is usually like. So I'm not sure if it's gum or not, but you can chew on it. It has nice flavor. Very normal candy, sweet candy flavor. So that was a good box. Everything in there was good. Sometimes they'll give you some dried squid or something like that. And so far I haven't liked any of those. I want to like them. I just don't. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked seeing what was in the Japan crate. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!